Good afternoon, YouTube. This is your old buddy One here, showing you an Ariens ST1032 snowblower. Well, the guy just came and brought it down, and it is a 32-inch cut for the augers. It has a 5-speed transmission. It's got 1 speed in reverse, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and then 5. It's got the on and off ignition key right here. It's got a light for if you're snowblowing out in the night. And it's a pretty good machine. I gave it a coat of paint, just a little bit. I did a whole tune-up on it. I replaced the rope and the recoil, and I put a new primer bulb on, and I fixed the electric starter. The brushes and the electric starter weren't too good, so I got a new one for them. And yeah, so I adjusted some things in the carburetor for them, and I'll have some other videos up on YouTube for it. And now I'm gonna give it a run. So we're gonna put this down into here. I think this is neutral pretty much, but it's still 1. And then I'm gonna turn this on to run. That's off, and now it's on run. Now what I'm gonna do is prime it 4 times. 4. Set it to full choke with the throttle. Oh, that's all the way down. That's all the way up. So we're gonna put it like halfway. Then start it. There we go. Now we're gonna take it off choke. That rattling noise is just this. Pretty much runs beautiful. I'm trying to get it onto its lowest idle.